The Silent Symphony, asterisk asterisk. In a bustling Indian market, 8-year-old Anaya, born deaf and mute, sat ignored, her hands stained with chalk. While others saw a disabled girl, Anaya's fingers danced, creating vibrant Rangoli art on the pavement. Her colors told stories, a peacock for hope, lotus for resilience. One day, a frustrated businessman, Rohan, tripped over her art. Instead of yelling, he froze. Her Rangoli showed a stormy sea calming into sunrise, mirroring his chaotic life. He knelt, placed 500 Indian rupees in her bowl, and pointed at his heart. Anaya smiled, handing him a tiny chalk sun. That sun now sits on Rohan's desk. It inspired him to fund a silent art school, where Anaya teaches 30-plus deaf children. Their exhibitions scream louder than words, paintings of hands breaking chains, eyes hearing music. Life's lesson asterisk. Asterisk, the world shouts to be heard, but humanity's deepest truths are whispered by those who speak through actions. Your limitations are not your voice. A single silent step can become a million roars asterisk. Asterisk, listen with your eyes. Speak with your hands, asterisk, raising hands, artist palette. Visualize. Close-ups of Anaya's chalk-covered hands blending colors. Contrast. Chaotic market versus her serene Rangoli.